Hello, I'm Mike Scalisi from HMY Yachts, and today I'd like to welcome you aboard the 2007 64 Viking convertible Big Blue. Thanks for joining me today aboard the 2007 64 Viking convertible Big Blue. If you have any further questions or would like to see this vessel in person, please feel free to contact me directly. My name is Mike Scalisi with HMY Yachts, and I appreciate the opportunity to earn your trust and business.